This call is massive. I repeat, this call is extremely massive. This is on Forex market. We are currently on the daily time frame, guys. We are on the daily time frame on DXY, the dollar index. Before I show you guys what I see, I would like us to get an update on the price action call we had earlier today in the morning. Let's have an update of that. Then once you sit back, relax, towards the ending of this video, you will see what I have for you guys. I tell you, it's massive. It's crazy. It's a futuristic kind of thing. But let me not spill the bean. Follow me, let's do the update. Then I'll hit you back on that big surprise for you guys. All right, let's step down to the 5-minute time frame. And for the guys that obviously watched the video we had earlier in the morning, I believe the drawings you see here would not be alienated to you. Of course, remember we said we have two options. The first option was for what? Price to trade up. Remember the time we had it, we say up there, market structure change, and of course we expect price to now roll back down. That was the first expectation we called in the morning. We also speculated that we might see price do this first, where they go down first before they do this. Okay, remember we made those calls. Okay, but right now you can see price pretty much played into the first expectation. All right, and while that has happened, you can see pretty much just immediately after price took out the PDH, which is the previous day high, you can see price is gradually coming back down. Peradventure you enter this trade, of course, the TP you should be looking for will be the PD point, or you can go for the PDO, but the safest place will be the PD, which is the midpoint. And the essence of the midpoint is usually that if you are caught up on a pullback, most likely you will have a way out towards the PD. With that said, I'm not going to waste further time. Let's unveil the surprise I promised you guys. So we'll be going back to this chart, and of course we'll be stepping out to the daily time frame, because what I saw is actually on the daily time frame. And with this daily time frame, guys, do you know what it is? All right, let's unveil what we have here. The rectangular box you see is actually the previous year price action on DXY, guys. The previous year price action on DXY. And throughout last year, I don't know, but you can see obviously on the chart, DXY has been losing value like crazy. All right, and right about at that point, you can obviously see that if we should apply the whole PDH, but this is not PDH anyway, we'll probably call this one the PDY, which is the previous, no, PY high, which is the previous year high. Okay, then we'll get the PY, maybe the previous, that's the midpoint. All right, and of course the bottom part, we'll call it the PA, I don't know, whatever, low, whatever, feel me. Now I want you to pay attention to what's going on here. You can see pretty much price did what? Swiped liquidity of the low for the previous year low. And if we are applying the same logic or approach that we've been pretty much using on the daily time frames, not the daily time frame, in the 5-minute time frame, right? If we should bring it here, it means that we should be expecting at least that DXY would, of course, the drawn liquidity will be this midpoint. If it's going to be a continuation of a sell, we expect price to at least reach this midpoint before a reversal. Price usually does that. I don't make the rule. It's something that I always notice happening, but nothing is certain. That's one thing with price. Price can decide to just reverse from here and just do crazy things, you feel me? So, but most times than none, it does have some level of pattern, and you can only find out when you do your back testing and all of that, please some couple of experience added. All right, so that is the expectation. That's the minimum expectation. The maximum will be if the momentum is enough, then we are going for the previous day high. So these are the two drawn liquidity I see on site. But with that said, market can still do otherwise. So that's the surprise I have for you guys. But it's for the wise ones to know what to do with the information. This is not financial advice, remember, but it's for the wise ones to know what to do with the information. And for me, it pretty much means that maybe for the rest of the year, I might just be bullish on DXY. You know what I mean? But this is not financial advice, like I said. So that's the surprise. Let me know what's further of your time and also my time. Well, you know what to do if you enjoy what you see here. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on information that we drop every day here on this channel where you're watching. This is FX Adventure, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. For now, bye bye, safe and take care. See you on my next video.